We'll be looking at words, past tense and future tense together. Go, tafi, jeka. Past tense, I went, na je. Future tense, I will go, zan je. Eat, ci. I ate, na ci. I will eat, zan shi. Drink, sha. Past tense, I drank, na sha. Future tense, I will drink, zan sha. Sleep, bacci. Past tense, I slept, na yi bacci. Future tense, I will sleep, zan yi bacci. Wash, wanke. Past tense, I washed, na wanke. Future tense, I will wash, zan wanke. Work, aiki. Past tense, I worked, na yi aiki. Future tense, I will work, zan yi aiki. Cook, girki or dafa. Past tense, I cooked, na dafa. Future tense, I will cook, zan dafa. Write, rubutu, rubutu. Past tense, I wrote, na yi rubutu. Future tense, I will write, zan yi rubutu. Wipe, goge. Past tense, I wiped, na goge. Future tense, write it in the comment section for Hausa and English. Thank you.